Everybody back here, EMD Automotive. So I'll show you what we're doing today. We're doing the actual lower control arms. So the lower trailing arms, front and rear. So they get really old, and this is the old one there. You can see they get really old, and they get noisy. So we've got brand new ones. We're fitting it on this side here, right there. That's a brand new one. So we've got to remove that and a few things out to get it on properly. So we're doing the right hand side first, and then we're going to do the left hand side, and then we're going to torque it up to the specs of the bolts, and we're doing the rear as well. This one's here. That's the rear one. We're going to take that off, and that part there, and then the cable tie there to do it. So after that, I'm going to do some more stuff on top as well. But that's the mark. See the coolant marks there? So I'll show you that coolant mark there was leaking from the top. I'm going to finish it probably tomorrow when I finish doing the other arms, and then we'll go from there. So alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.